Hi, I'm Angela Caglia and I've been a facialist for 25 years, and I had yet to find a cleansing oil that I really loved, that wasn't too heavy or thick or had too many essential oils to where it was sensitizing to my skin. So I went ahead and created my own. Now, the best thing to help with pollution is a cleansing oil, because a cleansing oil really is what gets in there and cleans everything out of your pores. And that's why I named it anti-pollution cleansing oil. So every day at the end of the day, you're really getting in there and cleaning all of the dirt, pollutants, and makeup out of your skin. And also what I did was I housed it in my black Maron glass, which protects it from UV light, but I also wanted a kind of a beaker that was made of glass, so there was no plastic. And there's a term called leaching, where if you have plastic sitting in a product with oils or essential oils, it will leach into the formulation. So you can rest assured that you're going to get the original pure formulation in your anti-pollution cleansing oil by Angela Caglia. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you how easy it is to use and how it makes your cleanse even more enjoyable. And I'll explain why. You want to add like 3 to 4 drops. And what I love about it is the soft neroli. Now, neroli is calming for inflammation, and it also just has this amazing sensorial experience, very spa-like when you do your cleanse. Also, the oils are so light. I wanted oils that were able to remove easily, but also get in there and clean easily. So it literally feels like spun silk when you apply it to your face. And it removes all your makeup, all the dirt from the day, and it's even safe to remove eye makeup. It will not sensitize your eyes. And the first step is to massage it into your skin and neck and décolleté. And it just feels like spun silk. It's really soft. And then the second step is to add water. So you add it to your fingertips and you massage it in, and you can see the actual product will emulsify and get milky. So that's the second step. And that means it's lightening and lifting, so you're able to remove it easily. And it's almost like a second cleanse. This is an emulsifying milk cleanse after the oil. And then what I love to do is just grab some sort of a facial sponge and easily remove it from your skin. And afterward, it just feels so soft. It removes, as you can see, everything from your face. And your skin isn't stripped or sensitized. It just feels really, really good and really clean. And then it's ready for the next step of your routine, whatever that may be. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using your own anti-pollution cleansing oil.